Ocho High secured the last quarterfinal spot in the Issa Ben Francis Cup knockout with a 1-0 win over Old Harbour High at Dancehall on Friday. Ocho Rios got their chance early to break the deadlock, but Ryan Francis failed to convert a first-half penalty. The game appeared to be heading towards penalties when Canil Brown struck the decisive blow in time added for Ocho Rios High to book their place in the last 8.
This one was like a transition game. You know, if you win, the momentum will come back, but if you lose, then you know what I mean. So, because they were a bit down, to be honest. Anybody would be down because we're playing good football right through, and they would just hit some speed bumps, and unfortunately, we got kicked out of the Costa Cup. We need to work on the composure in front of the goal. And the players are a bit hasty, which I understood why, because, I mean, last 2 games is like they really want to get the win. So let's need to work on them in a bit more composed and calm, and, you know, and then we'll convert the goals back.